Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am still your host, Angelsnap, and for today's video, we're going to talk about the different fonts that you can use aside from the fonts that is already on your InShot video. So, let's get started. As usual, go to videos and choose the video that you want to edit. I already have chosen my video. Now, let us go to text. You can write anything you want. This is just a sample. And then, after, you press the AA that is written here on the middle part of the icon. Once you press it, you will see the basic fonts that InShot is giving, which is Robot Medium, Permanent Marker, Bebas, Aileron, Roboto Thin, Caviar Dreams, Aleo, Amystix, Daniel, and many more. So, if you want to add more fonts, what you can do is either you can press this icon over here. You can add your own font if you have any, or you can press this icon here, which is like a grocery bag. When you press it, you will be directed to this font area. As you can see, there are plenty fonts to choose from, not just the old basic ones. So, you need to choose the font that you want to download on your InShot videos for editing. For example, AudioScript. This is free, but all you need to do is you press the free and watch the full video of the advertisement to get this AudioScript font.
Listen to the sound of my voice. You feel sleepy and you sleep.
I seem to be running through a park. Oh no! There's a zombie!
Don't be afraid. Kill them with your axe. Yes, like this. Now, cut down the trees and build some walls to protect yourself.
Okay. You think I can do that? I want to survive and then find other people. Thank you for curing me.
State of survival.
Once you finish watching the advertisement, you can press the X button on the upper right video of the screen. And voila! You have it. It has already the check mark. Let us check on the fonts if this AudioScript is already there. Let's go back. As you can see, it is already here. You can use this font if you do not want the old fonts. If you want new ones, then you can do this procedure. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye!